pounds, the police started driving. I ain't tripping, I got right back in that gym. Had like nothing even missing. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on. Tell the pilot stop in Switzerland by every AP they can sell. We got every flavor, marijuana and on trapping songs. Every bitch who left me to be lonely, they can go to hell. Every 60 days we switch the flots and go get different spots. I block her ass, won't hear from me again. I'm trying to help her heal. We really don't want, I'm from that 4.
YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's K-Stack. I messed up the intro, but you know what I'm saying? We finna go ATV ride, and this what, day 3 for y'all? I said that last video, didn't I? So really it's like day 4, 5. I don't know. I ain't been keeping up with the days. Damn.
Outside every night, putting belt to ass, this summer gon' be lit. Ain't no wop, but there's some quaking. Baby, brush still got punch and tricks. Drive the Rari like a shooting star, you see me make a wish. I can't spend the night, as soon as I fall asleep, she gon' sneak a picture. Lost 1,000 pounds, the police started driving.
Man, it's hot as a bitch. Tell me. You know what I'm saying? The buggy ATV. Look at the little doggy. Man.
Quédate la bota mía, que no.
Tírale el pie de coité.
Asqueroso.
Tírale el pie de coité.
Chivato, eso no cuida eso. Pendejo.
Tírale el pie de coité.
Usted lo muy chivato, yo.
The dude behind the thing he's fixing.
Push.
I need a bandana.
Huh?
I need a bandana.
No, I think he gets it. Yeah, he gets bandana.
Can you open this back up? Real quick.
Chris.
For real?
Chris.
Yeah.
Everybody love Chris.
Yeah.
Chris in the house. That's gonna be white. Okay. Chris, Bosias, and Francisco. Francisco. Yes. Francisco wants to do the pictures and video, all the videos at the end to show you what the beautiful thing of the digital. Brake, gas. Okay?
in the dirt. You about to drive this bitch. Shut the fuck up. All that crime, nigga. Nigga whipping this bitch. Oh, look at him, look out.
What the hell?
Nigga, I ain't never in my life seen this.
Damn, nigga!
Nigga, you good. Calm the fuck down, bitch. Calm the fuck down, let me win this hoe. Alright? Goddamn. I got this bitch under control, nigga. Damn. Look at him. That fuck nigga back there be trying to pass me. Take off on you.
Nigga, we're cooked. Everybody freeze!
She thinks she the fucking line leader shit. She thinks she the crossing guard.
I played these games before!
Looking ass. Nigga, calm down. Nigga, let me win this hoe. God damn. We good, we good, we good.
Are you zoom in on that bit?
Oh shit! Hey, the camera! Hey, nigga, the camera soaked! What the fuck? It's still recording! What the fuck? Hey! Oh shit! Hopefully my shit not cooked, boy! Hey! Hey! What the fuck? Hey! You say you gonna beat my ass? What I do? All I did was try! What? Huh?
Just lay down.
Oh
Yes,
my
yes,
God!
Yes, yes, yes. We got more water. It's
You
just,
like this? You like this?
That's just this. Oh shit. Oh. We just started right now. We got more.
Oh my God! No, that shit was crazy. Oh, that was insane, man. Oh my God, that shit was crazy. You said why I went fast, bro. The slower I would've went, the more fucking water was. He told us to hit the gas.
Because you hit the fucking water.
Bro, so you wanted me to go slow? If I would've went slow, it wouldn't have went through the mud.
It wouldn't have went all that fucking water, bitch.
Stop crying like a bitch. Damn, bro. I'm sitting in mud, bro.
Little dick.
Bro, everything got wet, bro. Literally everything is wet, bro. Pause.
What?
Bro, shut up. Bro, I can't even put my stuff back on, bro. It's so wet.
Compensated, nigga.
Nigga, you ain't getting paid.
Keep this shit sturdy.
Let me know when you're ready to switch.
Fender bender and shit.
Oh, bro. What the fuck? Nigga, it's in gear.
Fix the gear. Fucking dick.
Shut up, bitch. Why the fuck didn't you fix it?
I didn't know how it was.
Why slap your bitch ass? Nigga, you slapped me, I'ma crash this phone. God damn! Something, bro?
Just smacked it on the ass.
Smell like your motherfucking ass. Nah, you gonna draw a scare ass nigga.
I know.
You talking about we don't have to.
I'm saying like we don't have to wait for repairs. That's a fucking fool, nigga. Nigga, what we gonna do that motherfucker brothers?
I don't know.
Dumb shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Enjoy. Okay.
Yeah.
Every bitch who left me, they'll be only they can go to hell. Every sexy days, we switch the flops and go get different spots. I block her ass, won't hear from me again. I'm tryna help her heal. We really don't want, I'm from that foe, I really set the tone. You sing what you call it, yeah. Ask me, do I fucking care? Ever since I popped off every car I drive to year to year.